this video, I'll show you how to quickly export your Yoast SEO data so you can back it up or move it to another site. From your WordPress dashboard, open Yoast SEO in the left-hand menu and select Tools. Then choose Import and Export and click the Export tab. Yoast will generate all your SEO settings in a text format. Copy everything from the beginning block to the end block. Paste this into a text editor like Notepad and save it as a .text file. That's your backup. To import later, go to another WordPress site, open Yoast SEO, select Tools, then Import and Export. This time, choose the Import tab, paste your text and click Import Settings. And that's it, you've successfully exported and saved your Yoast SEO data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick SEO tutorials.